Hey everybody, my name is Ray Lopez, and I am very excited to be part of the master's degree program here, the Mallet. This is actually my first online class, and this is my first piece of work or any kind of content I'm submitting for the master's program. So, I'm kind of excited, a little nervous about everything that's been going on with registration this last week and making the decision to do this. And just wanted to tell everybody a little bit more about myself, who I am, some things I've done. So, with that in mind, let me go ahead and just probably the easiest thing for me to do is just bring up my LinkedIn profile because it's got a lot of information on there, and it'll guide me through, what I want to do here, which is you getting to know me a little bit better. So, as you can see, I'm a training and sales enablement person who's been working in the corporate world for quite some time. I currently am doing my own consulting business. It's called RL Chip Consulting. I'll show you a look at the website in just a second. But I am a graduate of the State University of New York College at Cortland, where I graduated with a dual major in education and history, and then went into the training world starting a long time ago at a company called New Horizons. So I've been doing training for about 20 years, but been doing leadership kind of stuff for about 15. Just a quick overview of some of the companies I've worked for. I most recently was working in the digital advertising space for a company called Rocket Fuel. And if you're familiar with tech, they and digital advertising, they do a lot of those videos that have ads or the banners and the images. So I've been doing that kind of work for a long time, digital advertising and all software as a service. So I've been training in the corporate world for about 15 years. So if you ever take a look at my profile, you could see it right on here. It's got my experience in all the different places I've worked. As part of the training, I've done big training programs I put together. I put together online learning management systems, and what I really wanted to get out of this is just what am I doing right and what am I doing wrong? As I had never been formally trained in any of these online kinds of courses. So I want to get better at my craft here so I can become a better training facilitator and training manager. Things that I've done where you could take a look at some of my work as an independent consultant, I put together my own website here called RL Chip Consulting. So if you ever need sales and training programs put together, this would be me. This is one of my first websites that I did through an editor. I'm pretty happy with it. So you can see a little bit more about me on this page, and if you ever want to contact me because you have a project, I have links to contact us and about us. You can find out more about me. I'm pretty happy with this work because I integrated an application called Salesforce into this that actually allows me to gather leads and put it into my management system. Uh, Other stuff that I've done, I built a site called from Google Sites called Ray's Worksite. So if you actually want to see some of the work I've done that's non-proprietary, there's some work examples here, so you can read more about me right there and take a look at my work examples. And just I'm excited to learn more about the G Suite too as we roll through our training. I should say our education here in the master's program. The G Suite and a lot of the other things that I think some of the professors are going to talk about, including theory, are going to really work well. So I'm also excited about participating in discussion forums and learning more about the folks that I'm going to be working with. I see some people already posted things here, and I'm excited to post my thing and interact with everybody in discussion and in our online classes and stuff. All right. I saw that somebody was a Jets fan. I'm also a very big Jets fan, and do a lot of the sports actually. I like football, I like baseball, hockey, and basketball. Those teams would be Jets, Mets, Knicks, and Rangers that I'm into. But just like sports in general, college football kicks off today. Like doing that stuff, and I also have a family that I spend a lot of time with. They do dance, they do cheer, and just one of the things that makes me happy about this program is it is online. I could never do this trying to do my consulting work and actually looking for a full-time job at my next organization and spend time with my family. So excited to be part of the group here. I'm going to go ahead and take a look at where I am. I'm almost 5 minutes, so I hope I didn't rattle on too long. Thanks, everybody. I'll talk to you soon.